Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Zinc PO3H or shell of the full name of the compound. The answer of the question is the full name of a compound that then 3PO4 3H2O is zinc phosphate hydrate. Here's a breakdown. Zn zinc PO4 to phosphate H2O water indicating the hydrate. So the compound is zinc phosphate with three molecules of water of hydration. This is the correct answer. If you have any question, just leave your comment. I will be answering you the second. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.